Vicky.
I'm Susan.
We are from Ounuo Machinery. Here is our company. We have 400 staffs and the factory covers an area 130,000 square meters. Today, we would like to introduce you the internal facilities of our company.
We have a clean, tidy staff canteen to provide the most direct nutrition to our staffs. I hope I can invite you to have dinner in our canteen one day. Let's have a look.
We have a warm, well-equipped staff dormitory. No matter how tired life, the big family of our company is our most loving place. If you are interested in our project, welcome your employees to accept the technical training, checking our dormitory. Let's be a family.
This is the most warm fitness room. As you know, now more and more people on the edge of sub-health. Our company not only care about the income of each staff, but also for our staff's healthy and perfect muscles.
The current market competition is too great. Under the huge pressure of work, both you and I feel tired and nervous. Our company provides us basketball courts, ping pong rooms, billiards rooms, and KTV room for our relaxed. Every staff's physical and mental health is our company responsibility. Welcome to join us and become our best partner.
See you next time. Bye bye.